Done. Please mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am. Mute your mic.
So open English observation book.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Chapter number. Now mute your mic and open your English observation book. Number 73. Observation. Students, mute your mic. Okay, very good. Wait. Open your English observation book page number 73. It's done. This is your chapter number 6, Chin's Grateful Friend, page number 73, checkpoint. Okay, done, beta. Very good. So put dated, day and day on the top of practice, page number 73. Page number 73, put dated, day and classwork on the top. It's done. Okay. Now write classwork. And today is 22 09 2021. Dated 22 09 2021. Classwork and day. And today is Wednesday. So write WED, WED, NESDAY, Wednesday. Okay. So your first question, what I like the most about the story. So tell me the answer. Unmute your mic and tell me the answer. What you most like about the story. Unmute your mic and tell me the answer. Yes, Ritika. Yes. Kanishka. Anyone in the class? कोई भी बच्चा जो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर करे, what did you most like about in the story? Okay. Activity you like?
Ma'am Chinu. Grateful friend. Grateful story. Ma'am Tuffy.
Tuffy. Okay. Some students say that, ma'am, it's Tuffy. Okay. I like activity.
Ma'am
Noun.
Tuffy. Ma'am Tuffy.
Okay.
Ma'am
So,
Tuffy. Ma'am Tuffy.
okay. So mute your mic.
Ma'am Tuffy.
Mute your mic, Rita. So, right. I really liked. So write your answer in your notebook. So write down the answer. But I like the activity that is performed in this chapter, in this story. So write I. So students, if you like Tuffy, then you write I like Tuffy. I like Chinu. But I really like the activity. The activity I like, that is about nouns. Nouns wali activity. So I really like the activity. A C T I V I T Y. I really liked the activity that is performed in the chapter. I really like the activity I really liked the activity. It made M-A-D-E made revision of my topic. R-E-V-I-S-I-O-N revision of my topic fun. My T-O-P-I-C topic fun. Aksham, unmute your mic, beta. Okay, so students, your next question is, what did you learn?
मैम कौन सा पेज है?
This is page number 73, beta. Page number 73 in education book. Mute your mic, beta.
मैम शेयरिंग करेंगे.
Just wait.
मैम शेयरिंग करोगे?
वो कर रही मैडम ने बोल दिया. आप लिखो क्लास वर्क डेट एंड
शेयरिंग करोगे? रिपीट अगेन. मैम शेयर करोगे? प्लीज रिपीट अगेन.
Okay.
मैम शेयरिंग करेगा?
After completing the question number 2 and 3. Okay. Now next question is, what I learned from the story. What you learn from the story? आपने कुछ सीखा स्टोरी से? Anyone? Just raise your hand. जिसने स्टोरी से कुछ भी सीखा है. What did you learn from the story? Yes, Aradhya Verma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. What did you learn from the story?
Ma'am,
Your mic is muted, beta. Just wait. Unmute your mic, beta. Aradhya. Unmute your mic. Yes, now try. Yes.
हमें भी चिन्नू की तरह हेल्प करनी चाहिए.
Yes. If you help anyone, it's payback. आप किसी की हेल्प करते हैं, then it always pay back. आपको उसका जो रिफंड है वो जरूर मिलेगा. Very good. Very. Anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. Okay. Now write. Now write your answer. What I learn? I learn. L-E-A-R-N-T. I learned that. T-H-A-T. That. If. I-F. If. One does. O-N-E. One. Does good. G-O-O-D. One does good deed. D-W-E-D. Deed, comma, it always pay back. It always pays back. अगर आप किसी की हेल्प करते हैं, किसी का अच्छा करते हैं, तो उसका आपको भी रिजल्ट मिलेगा. Okay. I learned that if one does good deed, it always pays back.
नीचे करो.
Okay, just wait, beta. Now your next
And
question.
green here.
Draw a picture of Chinu and Tuffy playing in the garden. So आपको यहाँ पर टफी और चिन्नू जो आपस में प्ले कर रहे हैं गार्डन में, वो पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है. Are you ready? Okay, just wait. Now complete your question 1, 2, 3. So complete your question number 1, 2, and 3. Complete it right now. The picture is okay. Sharing is okay. Say yes and no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mute your mic, beta, and complete your answer. Do fast, bache. Very good. Just mute your mic, Vishal.
एक्चुअल भी मैम स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है।
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही है। कितने बच्चों को स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही है?
मैम मुझे हो रही है। जी को भी हो रही है स्क्रीन शेयर।
जिस बच्चे को शेयर नहीं हो रही है वो बच्चा रेज हैंड करेगा, जिन्हें स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही है। जस्ट रेज योर हैंड। जिन्हें स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं हो रही है वही बच्चे रेज हैंड करेंगे। डू फास्ट। सभी बच्चों को शेयर हो रही है? Okay, now complete your homework. अगर डन हो जाएगा then just raise your hand and say I have done, ma'am. Four. Only single student. Ishani, unmute your mic, beta. Ishani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, beta.
I have done, ma'am.
I have done. Very good, beta. Okay, now mute your mic, beta. Very good. Your mic, beta. Mute your mic, Ishani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Complete question number 3. So complete question number 3 at home. Draw a picture of Chinu and Tuffy playing in the garden. Now turn over the next page.
मैम
Yes, beta. Manvi.
उसकी मम्मा मैम आई हैव डन मैम
Okay, Sagar. Manvi.
मैम मेरा नहीं हुआ है मेरा 75 पेज कंप्लीट नहीं है मैम आई हैव डन मैम मेरा नहीं हुआ है उसकी मम्मा आई हैव डन
Manvi, unmute your mic. Yes, beta. Now tell me, what do you think Chinu's mother did not like Tuffy? Rest of students, sit proper. आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि चिन्नू की मम्मा को टफी अच्छा नहीं लगता था? Is she like dogs? Yes. Dirty.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the reason behind it, she did not like dog. उसे dogs अच्छे नहीं लगते थे. What is the reason? She did not like dog. Main reason is she did not like dog. उसे dogs जो थे वो बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं थे. That's why she did not like Tuffy. इसलिए उसे क्या टफी अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Tuffy is a dog. टफी क्या था? एक डॉग था और उसे डॉग. Okay, now mute your mic, Manvi. Your next question. Use 2 words to describe Chinu as a person. आपको 2 words describe करने हैं जिसमें आपको बताना है चिन्नू कैसा पर्सन था. So, कौन बच्चा आंसर करेगा? कृतिका.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Describe Chinu as a person. 2 words describe करने हैं. चिन्नू कैसा पर्सन था?
चिन्नू बहुत अच्छा डॉग था.
Dog? Is Chinu is a dog? Kritika. The name of the dog was Tuffy. Chinu was a small boy. Okay. Anyone else? Anika, Sagar, unmute your mic.
Good morning, ma'am. Chinu,
Yes.
Chinu is a grateful friend.
Grateful. Okay. Anything else? 2 words describe करने हैं उसके बारे में. Okay, so write down the answer. Answer 1. Why did you think Chinu's didn't like Tuffy? So write because B-E-B-E-C A-U-S-E because she S-H-E she did D-I-D did. मैम के साथ राइट करेंगे because she did not N-O-T not like L-I-K-E L-I-K-E like dogs. Your answer 1 is because she did not like dogs. उन्हें क्या पसंद नहीं थे? डॉग पसंद नहीं थे because she did not like dogs. Now your next question is use 2 words to describe Chinnu as a person. तो चिन्नू कैसा था? Chinnu was a kind and helpful. Kind था? He is a kind boy. दयालु था, उसे दया आई थी चिन्नू पे, उसने उसे खाना दिया. And also a helpful. So write Chinnu C-H-E-E-N-U Chinnu was W-A-S was a kind K-I-N-D kind and A-N-D and help H-E-L-P H-E-L-P-F-U-L helpful H-E-L-P-F-U-L helpful person P-E-R-S-O-N. Put full stop in the end because Chinnu was a kind and helpful person. It's done. Okay, now next question. How did Tuffy shows that he was a grateful? How did Tuffy shows that he was a grateful? Anyone in the class? Answer the question, beta. How did Tuffy shows that he was grateful? Samriddhi, Dhruv, unmute your mic and tell me the answer. Yes. He was grateful. Tuffy ने कैसे बताया that he was a grateful? हाँ? Yes. No one in the class?
Excuse.
Anyone, beta? Paniti Sharma, tell me the answer. That he was grateful. टफी ने कैसे कहा कि वो भी grateful है, वो grateful है? Yes. Yes.
मैंने अभी क्लास बताई
It's okay, beta. So, टफी help चीनू? Say yes and no. टफी ने help किया था चीनू का? When he was hurted. Yes, when Tuffy was hurted. When Chino was hurted, Tuffy helped him. Tuffy ने उसकी help की थी. Yes, बेटा.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm scared.
Okay, so write down the answer. Tuffy, 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 helped, 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 Chinu, CHEENU, Chinu, I repeat, Tuffy, 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 help, HELPED, help, Chinu, CHEENU, Chinu, when, 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 he, he, was, 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 hurt, जब वो क्या हुआ था? हर्ट हुआ था, जब उसे लगी थी. The Tuffy helped him. उस टाइम टफी ने उसकी क्या की थी? हेल्प की थी. Okay. Now your next question. ये आपने अपने आप करना है. Name any 5 things for which you are grateful. ऐसी 5 चीजें बतानी है जिससे आप ग्रेटफुल हो. आप you are grateful. इसमें एग्जाम्पल दिया है फॉर लविंग फैमिली. आपकी लविंग फैमिली मेक्स यू ग्रेटफुल. ओके, और क्या क्या है आपके पास? दैट्स मेक यू ग्रेटफुल. ओके, सो think it and write it on yourself. आप अपने आप सोचिए and write करिएगा. Your next question. Use one word to describe Tuffy. What kind of a dog was Tuffy? Tuffy कैसा था? What kind of a dog was Tuffy? What kind of a dog was Tuffy? Describe one word. So tell me your answer. Summer, unmute your mic. Summer.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Describe one word for Tuffy, बेटा. एक word बताना है जो describe Tuffy को.
बताओ.
Grateful.
Very good. Grateful. So write grateful. GREATEFUL.